My gosh.
What happened? Let me see. Oh, okay. He's tired.
Debbie's filming you.
Hi, Dylan.
Debbie's filming you.
He's not interested. He's tired.
Tell Debbie about the Wizard of Oz, that there's a bad witch.
Is there a bad witch? Oh my God. Is it scary, Kemper? Is she scary?
Tell her. Tell her, Kemper. Tell her
Is
there's
she a scary bad witch? Is she a scary bad witch?
Tell her there's a bad witch.
You're just so cute. I can't stand it. I got it on film. I'm psyched.